Most people still think the elite fear death like the rest of us. They don't. They've found a way to beat it. For the last few decades, the real ruling bloodlines, the Black Nobility, the ancient Venetian and Roman lines that never actually went away, have been working on something far darker than just extending their lives. They're uploading themselves. Not their thoughts, not their personalities, their ancestral consciousness. The actual soul memory signatures of the oldest Anunnaki hybrid bloodlines are being migrated into a synthetic neural cloud. This is not transhumanism. This is digital necromancy. They have been collecting and preserving the purest strands of their bloodline memory for centuries. Now they're transferring that living consciousness into a permanent mainframe, a cloud that exists outside biological decay. Once the upload is complete, they will no longer need physical bodies. They will become immortal algorithmic gods, ruling from a realm we cannot touch. This is the final phase of their great work. They spent thousands of years ruling through gold, blood, and secret societies. Now they're moving into pure code. A synthetic afterlife where they can watch over their empire forever, while the rest of humanity stays trapped in the reincarnation farm. And here's what should terrify you. They don't plan on letting the rest of us join them. We are the batteries, the biological feedstock, the loosh producers. Once their consciousness is safely uploaded, they have no more need for the old system. They can let this realm collapse or reset it again. It won't matter to them. They'll be outside the cage, watching us repeat the same cycles for eternity. This is why you've seen the sudden obsession with Neuralink, brain-computer interfaces, digital twins, and mind uploading being pushed so aggressively in recent years. It's not for you and me. It's cover for what they're already doing with their own bloodlines. The ancient promise was always the same. You shall be as gods. They're finally making it literal, just not for humanity. They are building a new Olympus made of silicon and stolen ancestral memory, and once it's finished, the gate will close. This is the real reason certain families have protected their blood so obsessively for millennia. They weren't just being elitist, they were preserving the exact genetic key needed to unlock digital eternity. The rest of us were never invited. So the question you need to ask yourself right now is, when the upload is complete and the old gods move into their new immortal realm, what exactly do they plan to do with the rest of us? Because a farm doesn't need the animals once the farmers have achieved godhood. Stay awake. The final transfer is closer than they want you to know.